In a groundbreaking announcement, China is taking its commitment to clean energy to new heights, quite literally. The country has revealed plans to construct an enormous solar power station in space. This ambitious project aims to send large-scale solar energy back to Earth through microwaves, a feat that could reshape our energy landscape forever. The solar station, set to span a massive 0.6 miles, will be launched into a geostationary orbit above Earth using China's newly developed heavy-lift rockets. But why is this such a monumental project? Imagine the scale. China's Three Gorges Dam, the largest hydropower project on the planet, generates an astounding 100 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity annually. The solar station, according to Long Leihao, the chief designer of China's Long March rockets, could produce an amount of energy in a single year that rivals the total oil extraction from all the Earth's reserves. It's an incredible leap forward in clean energy technology. Long compared the project's significance to the Three Gorges Dam, but elevated to a geostationary orbit 36,000 kilometers above our planet. This innovative concept would drastically reduce the limits solar power currently faces on Earth, such as cloud cover and atmospheric absorption, making it possible to collect energy continuously, day and night. The implications are staggering. With advancements like this, China could lead the world in a sustainable energy revolution, providing an inexhaustible source of power from space, free from the physical constraints of Earth's environment. As this futuristic vision begins to take shape, the world may be looking at a new era of energy, one powered not by the Earth's natural resources, but by the very space above us. In a thrilling achievement for Blue Origin, the company has successfully launched its massive new Glen rocket into orbit, marking a major milestone in the race to revolutionize space exploration. Early Thursday morning, the powerful rocket ignited its 7 engines, releasing a dramatic blue flame fueled by methane, signaling the start of its long-awaited journey into space. However, the initial moments were filled with tension as the rocket remained stationary on the launch pad, requiring a brief burn of liquid methane and oxygen to overcome its thrust-to-weight ratio and begin its ascent. But once it did, the New Glenn rocket began climbing slowly and steadily, staying on course. After the initial struggle, the rocket soared gracefully. The first stage performed flawlessly, burning for over 3 minutes before the second stage, separated at an altitude of 70 kilometers. The upper stage's 2 BE-3U engines then took over, burning for nearly 10 minutes and pushing the Blue Ring Pathfinder payload to orbit, achieving an orbital velocity of 28,800 kilometers per hour. This successful launch marked a historic moment for Blue Origin, which had been working on the New Glenn rocket for years, with nearly a quarter of a century of development. Despite the flawless flight, the mission did face a minor setback. The Alp first stage booster did not manage to land as planned, falling into the Atlantic Ocean. Blue Origin's Ariane Cornell confirmed the loss, but experts understood the challenge. SpaceX took 19 attempts before successfully landing its first orbital rocket booster in 2015, so Blue Origin's effort was impressive in its own right. The launch had been delayed multiple times, first due to engine chill issues, and then by a boat entering the launch zone. But once cleared, New Glenn had its date with destiny. The success of this launch signals a new chapter for Blue Origin and its founder, Jeff Bezos, who has invested billions into the company's space ambitions. This achievement could very well be one of the greatest milestones to date for the space exploration industry.